Little Rockets Kid TV.
Hello children, today we will learn all about birds in alphabetical manner. We will learn their names, spellings and sound they make. So let's start. A. I am an albatross. 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 B. I am a blue tit. BLUETIT. Blue tit. C. I am a canary. 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 D. I am a duck. 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 E. I am an eagle. 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 F. I am a flamingo. 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 G. I am a grey falcon. GRAYFALCON. Grey falcon. H. I am a hawk. 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 I am an Indian robin. INDIANROBIN. Indian robin. J. I am a Javan green magpie. JAVANGREENMAGPIE. Javan green magpie. K. I am a kingfisher. 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 L. I am a lyrebird. 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 M. am a macaw. M-A-C-A-W, macaw. N. I am a nightingale. N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-A-L-E, nightingale. O. I am an owl. O-W-L, owl. P. I am a pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Q. I am a quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. R. I am a rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. S. I am a swan. S-W-A-N, swan. T. I am a toucan. T-O-U-C-A-N, toucan. U. I am an ultramarine goosebeak. U-L-T-R-A-M-A-R-I-N-E-G-R-O-S-B-E-A-K, ultramarine goosebeak. V. I'm an vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. W. I am a woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. X. I am Xenops. X-E-N-O-P-S, Xenops. Y. I am a yellow finch. Y-E-L-L-O-W-F Finch. Yellow finch. Z. I am a zebra wren. Zapatawren. Zebra wren.
Like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon.